Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power sunroof is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now the power sunroof fuse is located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press both of these and lift up to unlock it. Once you remove the cover, on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here you will have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 12, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. Now, if this fuse proves to be good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards the power window switch, possible wiring issue or the motor. But hopefully this will be your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.